Hello you all, welcome back to my channel Crochet by Dia, and today we are gonna talk about most asked question is where I get my yarn from, what projects I have made with those yarns, and what yarn to use for bags, for babies, for clothes, for summer tops and everything. So this video is going to be very helpful for you all, so don't skip it. And I will not make this intro very long by talking and talking and talking. So let's start with the video. I have got my laptop with me and let's start. There are only 3-4 websites that I like, and I purchase my yarn through those websites only. So it's going to be short and very informative video. Okay, so first website is Yes Papa Handmade. They offer huge variety of yarn. They have very affordable yarn, and I purchased t-shirt yarn from them. It was a very good quality. I made this bag for one other creator I collabed with. This bag turned out so pretty. I love the covers that are made with t-shirt yarn for laptop, for iPads, those cute bags, the bags with that little handle to carry on beaches and your cutie floral dresses. And it's for only 199 rupees, and they offer like huge, when I say huge, I mean huge variety of colors in t-shirt yarn. Let's switch to next. They offer blankie yarn. I have made this bee with that yarn, and I love this bee a lot. It turned out super fluffy, fuzzy and cute. Ganga blanket is softest yarn. You can make blankets, you can make plushies, you can make baby clothes and a lot of things out of that yarn, and it's super affordable. They have killed with their yarn, and it's only for 100 rupees. It's super affordable for that quality of yarn. One thing I just found out today, that Yes Papa Handmade offer Ganga Velvety slash chenille yarn, which is so affordable. It's for 75 rupees. I got chenille yarn from other website. It was like for 250 per ball. I made that strawberry plushie out of that. I mean 250 and 75, huge difference. So don't forget to check out this yarn. You can make plushies, you can make baby sweaters, you can make a lot of things out of that yarn. Okay, the next website where I ordered my yarn from is Cason India. I haven't ordered much. I guess I have ordered once or twice, but there's one yarn. I love them. But there's one yarn I love from them a lot, and that is Taj Moose yarn. I have ordered that yarn recently and I love it. It's super soft. It's 100% acrylic, I guess. Yes, it's 100% acrylic. And I love that yarn. I'm going to make a hoodie out of that yarn. I'll post that on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Don't forget to follow, because I do post a lot of things there. And if you like something, maybe you can purchase it. The Taj Moose is only for 105 rupees. I think it's very affordable. A lot of you guys wanted to know what yarn to use for babies. So Cason offered Taj Kiddos, and they have like nice variety of colors too. It's for 96 rupees for one ball of yarn. I think it's great. So do check that out if you want to make anything for baby. The next thing I saw in Cason India, which I will definitely going to order, is metallic t-shirt yarn. It's so glossy, it's so pretty. It's for 265 rupees, and I think it's worth it. It's expensive. I have saw that yarn in Amazon, and I think it's way expensive than this price. And I'll make a cute bag out of this yarn. Next yarn I loved from Cason, I never ordered, but I'm going to order a lot of that yarn, is finger knit big blanket yarn. So I have finger knit once for this custom order I got. I finger knit I used the Ganga blanket yarn for that. I was finding this super bulky blanket yarn, but it was in Amazon for like 1000 rupees for one or two ball of yarn, which was way too expensive, and they are selling it for 195 rupees, which is I think worth the deal. Here are some reference pictures from Pinterest. You can see the finger knit blankets are super like fuzzy and cute, and I love them. For the summer tops, they have Taj cotton yarn. It's for 126 rupees for one ball of yarn, and they have huge variety of colors. Half of them are out of stock, but I think they will stock it. Let's switch to the next website, and I have used a lot of yarn from that brand, which is Vardhaman. They offer very affordable yarn. I saw they are selling this yarn jeans and this denims. I love it. I'm gonna order it. I'm gonna make a tube top out of that yarn, and I will pair it with a white skirt or white jeans. I love this yarn. It's for 185 rupees for jeans, and 155 rupees for denims. They offer kiddo, which is obviously for kids, as the name suggests. It's for 35 rupees per ball of yarn. One ball is of like 25 gram, I guess, but they have like cute colors. Next, they offer Snuggly Soft, super soft yarn. It's one of my favorite yarn, I guess, and I have made this cute half finger gloves out of that yarn. I think it's super cozy. It's super soft. You can make cute cat beanie out of that yarn, or gloves obviously, or maybe a cutie like teddy bear bag. Next Vardhaman offer is cool knit yarn. As the name suggests, cool, it's literally cool. If you touch it, you will not feel hot at all like you feel by touching the other yarn. I have made this top on custom with this yarn only, and I am currently making other one too for my friend's birthday. It's for 120 rupees for one ball of yarn. Last website I order my yarn from is Magic Needles. Most people think it's expensive. They offer such huge variety of yarn. Their website is like super easy to scroll and to find out any yarn, and they have huge variety of colors in every yarn, and I think it's not expensive. It's higher than other brands, but I like it. People who wanna make bags, like super sturdy bags whose handle will not get flimsy and all, and bags will be able to hold up the weight very nicely, get the bulky yarn from Magic Needles. It's super sturdy. I made this bag and this too out of that yarn, and I love it. I love it a lot, and for every bag I will get that yarn only. It's for 156 rupees for one ball of yarn, and I think it's worth the deal. Recently, like few months ago, they launched chenille yarn in 3 different weights: orange chenille, super bulky, and bulky. And those yarns are super nice, super pretty, super soft, and very affordable. I ordered 9 balls of yarn for I guess 1100 rupees, and these are the plushies I made with those yarn. If you are into amigurumi, meaning making toys, definitely check that yarn out. It's perfect for making toys. I have made Totoro, I have made strawberry, I have made cow and a cuddly cat. Then they offer very affordable, which it was not when I got it. I think I got it for like 250 rupees for one ball of yarn, but they are selling it for 99 rupees now. Is t-shirt yarn by Cotton. I made this bag out of that yarn, and it's super sturdy. Lastly, they offer huge varieties of cotton yarn, of mix of acrylic and cotton and wool, and 100% acrylic. This is the yarn I got from Magic Needles only. I will link it below. It's super nice, super soft, and it's summer and I don't feel any hot here. I haven't added one website in this video, that is Ganga, because Ganga is available in every other website. It's available in Vardhaman, I think Keson in Yes Papa too. So I purchased my yarn from their websites only. I haven't scrolled Ganga. That is it for today's video. I hope it is helpful for you all. If you like it, do let me know in comment section below. Comment matters to us. It will make my day. And if you have any queries, comment down below, of course, or you can contact me on Instagram. And that is it for today. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.